Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to customize the layout of start menu of Windows 11 running computers. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, let me show you by clicking the start menu icon. So this is the default layout of our respective Windows 11 start menu, right? So we don't have any options to customize this Windows 11 start menu layout. So for this, what you need to do is just open any web browser and in the Google search for one application name as Start 11. On the first place, you will see its official website. Just click on it. Now just click on try free. So finally the file has been downloaded. So let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded and let me close this web browser. So just double click it to run this software installer. Click on I agree the terms of this license agreement. Click on next. Click on next. So finally the installation has been completed and you can see some information here to enter the product key, purchase product key, or you can start a 30-day trial. So here we are gonna use the 30-day trial. So if you like it later on, after trying 30-day trial, you can just purchase the product key from their respective websites. Put your respective email address here and click on continue. So finally we have activated the trial version. Click on finish. You can select the start icon layout, whether you want to place it on the left side or at the center. I'll just keep it as in the center. So now on the left side you can see tons of options. So I'm gonna give a quick review what are the various options and under it what options you will gonna get. So under the start menu you can see various styles. So you can select whichever style you want. So I'm gonna select this Windows app style, and once you select it you can just check out if it really applied or not. So now you can see it is applied. So I'll gonna discuss after a few seconds, and just below to it you can see configure menu. If you click on it you can see tons of options like shortcut list, manage custom filter folders. You can just add a new folder or depending upon your needs. Next option is customize menu visual appearance. So you can change the start menu color, adjust menu transparency effects, whatever effects you want to use here, and font styles also you can change visual effects. Under the change visual effects you can see rounded corners. You can get a rounded corner also if you want here, rounded corners. You can use a custom menu background also if you enable it. You can get a custom background also, and below to it you can see here show shutdown and reboot options when connected via remote desktop also. This option also available. Website links also available here. Advanced options. So here tons of options, so you can check out by yourself depending upon your needs under the start menu options. So these are the options you will gonna get inside the start menu option. And next option is the start button. So here you can use a custom start button image also. If you want to change the Windows start menu icon, then you can just enable it and you can set your own start menu icon. And the position of the start button in the center, right now I have selected a center. So if you want in the left side, then you can just untick it, then it will move to the left hand side. And next option is a taskbar. So under the taskbar there are various options. You can just choose this first option. If you want the start 11 enhance the taskbar, then you can just enable this option. And next to it is a taskbar blue transparency color. You can set here depending upon your needs. Advanced rounded taskbar, so you can set your own rounded taskbar here. Again you can see advanced custom texture to the taskbar as you can see here. So tons of options which you can check. Taskbar size, so you can select the taskbar size also if you want a small one. Just click on yes. So you can see you can get a small taskbar size also, and the taskbar position also, where you want to place it, whether in bottom or whether in top. So you can do it using this options. So these are the options you will gonna get inside the taskbar options. And next option is the taskbar pin. So here you can pin a file, pin a folder in the taskbar, or you can pin a folder menu also. And below you can see show folders as submenus, manage filter folders, so you can manage these things. The next option is a search. Under the search options you can use the start 11 search option, or you can use your default Windows start menu search option also. And here are some filters, iconing, and search files contents, whichever you want to select here. And below it you can select the start 10 search style also, which looks like the Windows 7 style search icon. You can just enable it if you want the Windows 7 style search icons. Next option is a control. So here are various options. So I'll not make you bored by showing each and every options, so you can check out by yourself. And next below to it is a settings backup. So you can back up those settings which you have customized using this application. You can just click on this backup settings and you can later on restore it by using this restore, or you can reset the settings. And the last one is the clear information. Next to it is about the software software, the version number, the license, and the last one is the buy start 11. Since we are using a trial version, so you can purchase it after trying it for 30 days if you like it. So now let us close this settings options. So now just click on the Windows Start button icon. And now you can do a various customization from here itself. So let me show you. So if I click on this plus and if I select this tab, let me add a blank tab. So now let me click on this new tab and just double click on it, and you can give a new name. You can change this name also, just double click on it, and you can drag it on the other tabs. You can create multiple tabs as much as you want. You can just click on this plus, you can click on tab, add blank tab, as much tab as you want, and you can reorder or rearrange here depending upon your needs. Or you can just right mouse click and you can customize the appearance also. You can pick a color depending upon your needs. So you can see here, you can pick different colors also. You can change the appearance, you can change the transparency also. You can set a background texture also, whichever texture you want. If you want a different texture styles, you can add those texture styles also. And here you can see all the app list or recently installed applications, or you can customize it also. Just right mouse click on the respective tabs, and you can see here, so suggestive apps or so recent installed apps. So if you want to hide the recently installed apps option, you can hide it, and you can hide the so suggested apps also. You can enable the app searching option also. So you can see on the above, and you can just resize it just by dragging it. As you can see here, how much large or how much small you want depending upon your needs. You can just drag it. You can change the height, size depending upon your needs. And on the above you will see some options like downloads, play music, and the right top corner will be the power option where you can just shut down, restart or sleep. And if you want to restore the default Windows 11 start menu, then just open the Start 11 application again and just go to this start menu first option and just turn it off, and you can close this window. Now if you click on the Windows start menu icon, now it will restore back to the default start menu layout. So by using this application named as Start 11, you can easily customize the layout of start menu of Windows 11 running computers very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.